Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly. The sons of God will awake to the image of the Son, not to live for times of refreshing or revivals of things past. No, the sons shall live in the constant awareness that the word of Christ dwells in them richly. The same word that is in the Father from eternity, that same word is also the Son's. Remember, the word is a person from the bosom of the Father. The sons of God are those that came to a conscious awareness that they do not live to satisfy the desires of the Adamic nature anymore. The sons has awakened from a spiritual sleep of death and became conscious that the seed of Christ germinated in them and came to maturity just like a branch that was entered into the vine. John 15 verse 5. The life in the sons are no longer earthly but heavenly. It's also the same spirit that rose Jesus from the dead that is in everyone. Even though the manifestation of the Word was made flesh, the flesh Jesus was nothing without the abiding Spirit Word. Romans 8 verse 11.